Are there any tax deductions for home improvements? I'm Candice Cane, and I work here at Robert Hall & Associates as a tax consultant. As always, remember to like and subscribe to our channel and go to our website and sign up for a free consultation with one of our consultants. Today I'm talking about if there are any tax deductions for home improvements. And I'm going to talk about medically necessary home improvements, energy efficient home improvements, and then the deductions for a home office, and also deductions against the sale of your home for capital gains. So first, medically necessary home improvements. So if your doctor says you need something and signs a letter or something to that extent that it's medically necessary that you have it, that home improvement can be deductible as a medical expense. This can include exercise equipment built into your home. It can include maybe a ramp to get into your home if you need to be in a wheelchair, if you need a hospital bed in your home that's medically necessary. These sort of things become medical expenses, and they're deducted on your Schedule A with your other personal deductions, your itemized deductions. Also, if you improve your home in an energy efficient way, so say you put on solar panels for your home, that has a great tax credit. It's not a deduction, but there is a tax credit, and it's about 30% of what the cost for the solar panels is. There's also other home improvements that are energy efficient, such as windows, doors, insulation. There's water heaters, heat pumps. There's several things in the category of energy efficient tax credits, and all of those things will give you about a $300 to $1,200 tax credit. So you'll want to look into your specific item if you're going to do one of those home improvements. The other way home improvements can help you as a tax deduction is if you have a home office. So if you run your business out of your home, you have a specific space that you just use for work, and you're taking a business use of home deduction, you get to take a percentage of your home expenses. And that includes home improvements that you make to your home. If they are specifically just to the office space, you can take 100% of that deduction. If they're more general, like a roof or something to do with the electric system or the piping in your walls, something like that, those you're going to get the percentage based on the square footage of your office. But there is a deduction for those home improvements. Now, the final one I'm going to talk about today is if you are selling your home. You want to remember all of those home improvements you've made while you've owned your home. So you've got to go back and keep all of those receipts along the way. So if you bought your house 20 years ago, you've probably put on a new roof. You've probably updated different fixtures or parts of your home, done landscaping. All of these home improvements go into your basis when you go to sell your house. So say you bought your house for $500,000 and you're selling it for $1 million. You want to make sure you get all of those expenses added to that $500,000 basis before you start paying taxes on that capital gain. So I hope this helps you know how much taxes you can save with your home improvements. Thank you for watching. And as always, like and subscribe to our channel and visit our website to sign up for a consultation with one of our consultants.